if you look at the field now, it's getting better. It's getting clearer than some of the initial video that you have seen before. The nursery is over there, and you can see that everything is getting clearer by the day until you have a very plain field led with a drip line. This is going to happen in a couple of days, so you are going to see this field laid with drip line. So we have 5 acres at a stretch up to that point. So we have 5 acres now. So we are going to burn all these heap of bunch of sticks. We are going to burn them in some moments, and this is